want to learn English and you don't know how to start, where to begin, then don't worry. In this video, I will tell you all those things which really help you to learn English. Hi guys, this is Rituja and welcome back. So, without wasting any more time, let's back to the topic. The first thing that you will do is start speaking. Yes, it is not important that you are making short sentence, you are just saying about English a word. No, it is not important. And remember guys, speaking is important. Okay, you can start from basic, like exam basic sentences, small sentences that you can speak easily and you can understand that sentences easily. Okay, that is the important thing in it. So just make small sentences like I am hungry, I want to go there, I want this to eat and my mom is not giving me that. Like that kind of sentence you can make that should be easy to remember as well, and you can use that all sentences in your real life, in your day to day life. Okay, so start with small sentences and don't think that right now I'm making small sentences. Don't think about this. Just speak without thinking it. Okay. So speaking is the important thing in English, because why we are learning English? We are learning English for speaking, right? And if you are not speaking, then it won't work out. So you'll have to speak English and start from these small sentences. I will provide you a small sentences so that you can start English speaking from today. I will give you all that small sentences in the description box. So you just check the description box. You will see the basic sentences that you can speak from today, and these sentences is going to help you so much. Okay, so just check the description box. You will get all the sentences. Okay, so read all the sentences twice time and read that aloud and use all that sentences in your real life. Okay, so use all that in your real life so that you will get used to of speaking English. Okay, and getting used to is the most important thing. Okay, you should get habit of speaking English every day, like small sentences you are speaking right now, so you should have that habit, so that yeah, I will speak this every day, I will speak this all the day. Okay, so check the description box, see all that, read aloud and apply that to your daily life. Okay, so the second thing is learn vocabulary from your daily life. Yes, like suppose you watch a video right now and you are thinking that yeah, these words are important and you are learning that, and even knowing all those words, knowing all those vocabs, you are not speaking. And remember that memorizing words, it is not the solution for speaking English. Okay, so you should know those words which you can use in your life. Like what you are speaking right now. I am doing study. Study is a verb. It's a verb which you can use daily. You use this almost use daily, right? So like that kind of words we should know, so that we can use that in our life, so we will speak. So like related, like real life daily sentences which we use, so according to that we should know words, so we should know vocab related to that which we can use daily. Okay, so don't just memorize words, know those words which you actually use in your life. Okay, and don't start from idioms. Idioms is something which we not use in our daily life, and if you are speaking idiom, then some people will not able to understand that as well. So don't start from idiom right now. डेली लाइफ इंग्लिश जो हमारी होती है ना, तो उसमें जो हम हिंदी के जो वर्ड्स हम देखते हैं, जो सुनते हैं, तो हमें वो याद रखना चाहिए इंग्लिश में, rather than idioms, rather than those words which we are not using in our real life, and those we are memorizing, then it's not going to be work out. Okay, so after knowing the vocabulary which we use daily, so after that the next topic, so after that the next come is listening English. Yes, listening English is the OG. Like I'm telling you, it is really help us to improve our English. Listening is like very important. Yes, it is like very important. And I listen English so much. I'm telling you this also. because when I was learning English, I used to do the one only thing, and the one and only thing was listening English. I listen English so much. I listen English music so many times. I listen it again and again until I didn't get the meaning, actual meaning of word. I just listen again and again, again and again. And I'm telling you, repetition is the important thing in it. Like if you are repeating that, then you will understand. If you are not repeating that same thing, then you will take time to understand that. So please repeat. You read this, like suppose you read one page, okay, so you should read that twice, thrice, as much as you can. If you have time, just spend your time in English, because English is a skill right now. Okay, so if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your skills, if you want to improve your communication skill, then you'll have to listen. ओके, बिकॉज मुझे एक बात बताइए, हम हमारी जो नेटिव लैंग्वेज है राइट, सो फिर वो हम कैसे सीखेंगे? वो हमने बचपन से क्या पढ़ी तो नहीं है, हम सुन सुन के सीखे हैं राइट. कैसे सीखे हमने हमारी लैंग्वेज? सुन सुन के सीखे है. सो आपको इस बात से पता ही चलता है कि जो भी हम सुनते हैं ना, हम वही करते हैं राइट. हमने बचपन से ही हमारी लैंग्वेज हिंदी सुनी है, जो भी आपकी नेटिव लैंग्वेज होगी, दैट विल लिसन एंड देन वी स्पीक. So listening is important. So like the same, speaking comes first and all the grammatical things comes later. So I hope you get that what I wanted to tell you. Speaking is very important. Grammar is not important much. For speaking, grammar is really not important. Grammar is you should know when you are at school, at college, like for the just subject. Grammar is very important for those, but when it comes to speaking, I'm not saying yes it is not very, but yeah, only few things if you know about grammar, then that is enough to speak English. Okay, so speak English very well. Listen English as much as you can. If you have free time, then listen English. Spend your time in English listening. Okay, and start speaking from day one. Okay, so right now you took a decision that from today I'm going to learn English, and one day I will speak English very fluently. Okay, so you make a promise to yourself. Okay, so from the day one, you'll have to speak English. Not like today I will learn this, tomorrow I will learn that, and after 2 days I will speak English. No, guys, no, you should not do this. Like today, like it is our day one. Okay, so from today we should start speaking. Yes, not like I will do tomorrow, I will do tomorrow, I will do tomorrow. No, I will start from today. Yes, I'm not going to miss any single day. You should make promise to yourself that I'm not going to miss any day. I have made a promise to myself, and I will do that from today. From day one, I will do all those things. Okay. So speak from day one. Don't think that I will do tomorrow. No, you are not going to do tomorrow. From today, live in present, not in future, that I will do this, that I will speak English fluently. If you are not speaking right now, like you are not speaking in present, then how you will speak fluently in future? This is also a thing to think about. So please speak English from day one. Don't think that I should know this first and after this I will start speaking. No, I will start from today. Yes. Don't ignore grammar, but don't obsess over it. यस, ग्रामर को इग्नोर मत करो, उसे पढ़ो, बट इतना भी नहीं पढ़ना है. ओके, सो यू शुड जस्ट नो अ बिट ऑफ ग्रामर दैट इज मैंडेटरी फॉर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. यस, you don't need to learn so many grammars. Okay, just learn these things, then you can start speaking from today. Yes, by knowing just these things you can speak English from day one. Okay, so don't spend many hours on learning English. You know so many things about grammar, and you are blaming that I am not speaking English. What is the reason? Should I join any coaching classes to learn it? Then no, you don't need to spend any single rupees on English. Okay, even I don't spend single rupees on English. But right now I'm speaking it and I'm improving my English day by day, little by little. I always try to become 1% better every day. Yes. Yesterday I was different, but today I improved myself 1% better. Like that, we should all think about and just do this. Make English a daily habit. Yes, speaking English should become your habit. Yes, you should get used to of speaking English and speak English anywhere. You can speak English everywhere, at home, at outside, in your dreams also. If you are thinking English, if you are thinking something, then you should think whatever you are thinking that should be in English. Yes, so make English your habit. Like whatever I'm doing, I'll have to speak that in English. I can't think this in my native language. I'll have to think in English. Yes, make English your daily routine, make English your habit, make English used to. Yes, get used to of using English, and if you are doing this, then your English will 10x improve. Okay, so try to make English your habit. Okay, so you are a complete beginner, then this video helped you. Yes, if you are really thinking, then from where should I start, then whatever I've just told you, you should just do all those things. Yeah, just do all those things without thinking anything. Okay, just do all those things and remember one day you will thank me for doing that. Yes, because when I was also a beginner, I had no one, and literally I had no one to say that you should do this, that, and I didn't even have English environment as well. In my family, there was no one to speak English. There was no one who knows well grammar, so that he can teach me. No, I had no one, but I learned English. And why I learned English, I want to tell you this also. At the point I realized that I should learn English because I was facing some problems related to English. So that point I decided that I'll have to learn English in anyhow. And I'm a middle class. I'm from middle class family, so I couldn't spend thousands rupees on just learning a language. So that was a thing which I couldn't afford. So because of that reason, I decided that I will learn English by myself. I have phone, so I will research that from where should I start and all. So I'm telling you, in my whole journey, the one and the only thing which helped me, and that was a chat GPT. Yes, chat GPT I used so much in my English journey. So you should also use that. And chat GPT is the only one who is not going to judge you. That, you know, if we ask about English to someone else, like a human, like people, as actually, so they judge us. But ChatGPT is the only one thing which is not going to judge us. Okay, so if you are facing any problem, so first of all, you can comment me anything. Like you can ask me anything in the comment section, that whatever you want to know about me, you want to ask something, you just let me know in the comment. I will tell you the what should you do if you are facing this problem, then how can I handle it. I will tell you, you just let me know in the comments. Okay, and chat gpt as well. You just ask the chat gpt that what should I do, I'm facing this and all, then it will give you. If you want some phrases, if you want some words, then it will provide you. You just read that, practice it out, and you will speak English. Okay, so please don't get demotivated. Always get demotivated and spend time with English, because English has become very important language. English is our international language. If you have dream like me to explore countries, so English is very important for that. So we'll have to learn English. Okay. Okay, so guys, that is for today. I hope you all like this video, and if you find this video useful, then make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment that what you want to watch the next. Okay, till then, keep learning, keep growing, and bye.